Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends. Today we are going to study how to find a transfer function when we have given a system's equation, right? So as you see in this example, we have given a system like this, and we have been asked to find the transfer function of the system. What they are saying is here x of t is input, y of t is output. So as to find the transfer function, the first thing what we have to do is convert this equation, which is in time domain. You will see every function is in time domain, every expression. So first thing what we have to do is convert this time domain into S domain or Laplace domain. How you do that? By taking Laplace transform on both sides of this equation. Okay. So I have taken Laplace transform of left hand side equal to Laplace transform of right hand side. Also, now we know that how to find out the Laplace transform if equation has a double order derivative and if equation has a term with dy by dt, meaning single order derivative. So it is given by the double order derivatives Laplace transform is given by s square y of s, whichever function it is, minus s into y of 0, basically s into the initial conditions, minus y dash of 0, basically finding out the first order derivative and putting the initial conditions in that. Also, we know that what is the Laplace transform of a first order derivative, which is given by s into y of s minus initial conditions. So putting these two values or using these two expressions in this equation, what we can do right is for this d2y of t by dt square s square y of s minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0. So basically we have put this here plus 3 into dy dt dy t by dt. So we have to replace dy t dt by s y of s minus y of 0, and we have multiplier as 3 that will remain as it is. So 3 into s y of s minus 3 into y of 0 plus 2 into y of t's Laplace transform is simply y of s equal to Laplace transform of x of t is x of s. Since we have been asked to find a transfer function, we have to assume initial conditions equal to 0. So here in above expression, y of 0 equal to 0, y dash of 0 is equal to 0. So we have to replace these with 0 in above equation. If we do that, we will get this equation, which is s square y of s plus 3s y of s plus 2y of s equal to x of s. Now here, what is the common term, which is y of s? So I'm taking that out and writing s square plus 3s plus 2 in bracket, which is equal to x of s. Now we know what is the definition of transfer function. H of s is equal to y of s upon x of s is equal to, you will see y of s, if we take x of s on this side and y of s on right hand side, then it will become 1 upon s square plus 3s plus 2. This can be written as combination of these two, like s plus 1 and s plus 2, which is equal to s square plus s 3s plus 2. So basically transfer function for this system I'm talking about, which was given in the equation, is 1 upon s plus 1 into s plus 2. So this is very simple method of doing or method of finding out the transfer function of a system. Important thing we have to consider is you are finding a transfer function, you have to assume initial conditions as 0. So yeah, that's the end of this lecture. Please let me know if you have not understood any part of this lecture in the message. I will try to resolve or try to answer that in comments, or I will try to create a different video to solve your doubts. So thank you and have a great day.